Okay, you can book this 1390. Last one ring adjustable है. Sure, Devi ma'am. I'm so sorry. I'm just reading the messages from here and I'm telling. So now this is going to be your serpent ring and this is adjustable to size. Okay. I have only messaged you, Mitali ma'am. It's me only who is coordinating. Okay. So now this is adjustable and you can wear it in any of your finger. This one. Free size. ओके 6, 7, 8, 9 तक भी ले सकते हो आराम से. एंड दिस इज फॉर 1390. सेल में है. ओनली वन लास्ट पीस इज देयर. कल मैंने ये लगाया था स्टेटस पे एंड ओनली वन लास्ट पीस इज लेफ्ट इन दिस वन. ओके, सेम प्राइस 1390. यू कैन बुक द पीस. दिस इज अ स्पाइरल serpent ring and you can book it 1390. It's a beautiful piece and you can book the piece. ओम के ब्रेसलेट्स. रंजना मैम ब्रेसलेट खत्म हो गए ना. खत्म हो गए. ओके, खत्म है ब्रेसलेट्स. Bracelets are sold out. Yes, this ring is beautiful and it looks really nice when you just wear it in your big finger and in your index finger. बहुत सुंदर लगता है. ओके. ओ रंजना मैम, मैं ऊपर से मैसेज पढ़ रही हूँ. कोई नहीं, I will wait. If in case I am not receiving the payments, I will be happy to pass it on because there are many of them who are waiting. And इसके मैंने बहुत request किया है to make some more and give because first थोड़े pieces आए, then I wanted more. That is when I had shown this first time that ये मैं दिखाऊंगी. That time I think I had hardly 3 in my hand. That's it. And I literally requested कि मुझे और pieces चाहिए. Somehow I managed and I got only this many because it is an imported one. And this finish is beautiful compared to any other Italian ones. Whatever, भले ही आप मेरे से लिए हो तो भी, this finish is beautiful. It's different. Okay, there is a lot of upgradation on this finish and it's lovely piece. Okay, yes, this ring is beautiful and this ring is suitable to any size. So and you can easily wear it. You can easily wear it, style it with your Indian westerns. बहुत सुंदर लगता है ये वाला. 1390 का है. ओम का एक ब्रेसलेट इज देयर 1099. ओम का ब्रेसलेट फ्री टू साइज एनीथिंग. रूबी मैम नो COD. ठीक है. सो नाउ दिस इज योर पीस. दिस इज योर ब्यूटिफुल ओम. लास्ट वन ब्रेसलेट ऑफ ओम इज देयर. रिवर्स दिखता रहे. नहीं, इट्स करेक्ट. ओके, इट्स योर विंटेज गोल्ड प्लेटिंग. कल ये मैंने पोस्ट किया था. आई हैड 10. आई थिंक जस्ट लास्ट वन इज लेफ्ट इन दिस वन. दैट्स इट. This is only one last piece, 1099. Om bracelet, anybody can wear it. You can wear it as your stack. You can wear it individually, solo, and it looks really beautiful. Okay, this is beautiful. Okay, this is a very nice piece, and this is your Om bracelet, 1099, 1099 for this fantastic piece. Very pretty piece. This is 1099. This is your ring and anklet is your code 1. I'm just repeating it. Anklet is your code 1. This is a beautiful anklet, code 1. Size is adjustable to any. Free size है. बहुत ही pretty size है. बहुत pretty piece है ये वाला. It's a very pretty piece. I think इसमें भी book कहाँ गया? One pair is left. That's it. Okay. Om bracelet. Riya ma'am, done. Okay. See this one. It's a very pretty piece. This. Hi Arshia ma'am, this is your anklet. Okay. This is your anklet. This is your code number 1. And this is for 2350. 2350. 2350. Riya ma'am and Parul ma'am. Done. Okay. So ब्रेसलेट ऑल्सो डन. ओम के दोनों खत्म. ओके, should I be showing you one more chain? If in case you are keen. एक जो डिजाइन मेरा हॉट सेलर है वो रीस्टॉक हुआ है. Okay, that is got restocked and I have 5 more pieces in that. 5 more pieces are there in that. If you wish to see that, if you would have seen that 2350 का chain है वो. Okay, there is a little difference in this time of 50 rupees only. If you are keen and if you have not got this chain, what was there in code 2, I can show you this piece. Okay, 2350 का है, and it's your Matarmala bead chain, and it's your beautiful chain. If you want to do the bookings of that, I will show it, and you can, whoever has not got the chains, you can take those chains, and whoever has got it last time, you would know how beautiful these chains are. Okay, दिखाना है तो I will just show it. I can take it on screen booking itself, or you can leave a WhatsApp message. I'll show the piece. You may recall it. 2350 Matter Bead dual tone, very pretty piece it is. Okay, and this was a huge demand of this chain. Okay, see this one. This is your Matter beads, and this most of you have got it with you. Now in this also there are layers of your chain. There are three layers here, and then you have your alternative Matamala beads over here of your high finish. This is your rose gold silver, and this is your necklace area of the piece. This is 2350, and it's a beautiful piece. Last in this only 5 chains have got restocked. ये मैंने निकाला नहीं था because some were on pre-booking, इसीलिए, and I had taken extra and it's done. So this is the piece. This most of you have got this piece, and it's a beautiful piece. This goes your backside Matter beads, and then you have your 3-layer chain, and then your complete alternatively necklace bead over here. It's a fantastic piece. 2350 का ये chain है. If you have missed it last time, go ahead with this and don't miss it. ठीक है? One second, आप मैसेज करते जा रहे हो इधर से. Done. I'm taking bookings on WhatsApp. If you want to give a screen booking over here, please give. This is your on-screen booking, which is going to go. Hemalata ma'am. ट्वेंटी इंचेस नहीं है रंजना मैम, एक्सटेंडर आप यूज कर सकते हो. रोज गोल्ड का एक्सटेंडर आपको आई थिंक आपके पास है ना. हाय गुड़िए. All right, I think it's all sold out. 2350 2350 2350 Price of Matarmala missed. 2350 2350. Okay. नहीं है मेरे पास भी. I don't have in silver extender. Okay, 2350 is done. ठीक है रंजना मैम, I don't have in the silver ones because इसके पॉलिश के साथ वो मैच होगा नहीं. Otherwise you'll have to take this one. Okay, done. Okay, next, anything else that is to be shown, I'll show. Then you can book the piece. One dangler in Swarovski crystal, 1990. Bhavna ma'am, it's sold out. The chain is sold out. The chains are sold out. This one is completely sold out now. This was the chain. It is sold out. I'm waiting for new more designs in these. Okay, as I get it, I will definitely, showcase, because there is again a lot of fluctuations that have started with silver there, and imports are also not working that easily. So that is becoming a big task. Don't worry, there are a lot more pieces. Okay. There are a lot more pieces that will be there. Okay. Hi Rashmi ma'am. Now this is for 1999.